of roller coasters, and we're gonna see some animal shows. So let's have a fun day at Seaworld.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Woo!
Oh my. Yeah. All the bubbles we can handle. Bubbles. What was this ride called?
The Great White.
The Great White, huh? And this is the incorrect way to ride. Ah! What's your reaction on that one?
It was really good. It was like crazy, but everywhere.
Too crazy.
Yeah.
So that had 4 inversions,
Yeah. It was like
2 corkscrews. Super awesome.
Yeah.
All right, the next roller coaster is
Wave Breaker.
Wave Breaker. Oh. So after this, we're gonna go on the penguin encounter.
Yeah.
All right, we got to check him out. There's a penguin in there I remember from last time. I wonder if he remembers me.
Maybe.
I know.
Hey, Wave Breaker was really cool. Lots of turns, definitely worth the wait. Penguin encounter. Let's see if my pal's in here.
These penguins in this box are. Anybody know? Yes? Yes, ma'am. Yep. Anybody know what's in the box?
Here's my penguin pal.
Right there.
It's my buddy.
Over 20 penguin chicks in
Hey,
the
buddy.
habitat. The only one that has penguin chicks is the bar in the box on the far side. Now we have with 20 penguin chicks and they're currently taking care of. They are 3 months old. Most of them are pretty round. And most of them
He's thinking I might jump in. swim.
So the smart color red, it could be white, it could be blue, it could be green. Those are going to be our penguin babies in the habitat that are visiting. They're being kept in these chick corrals in the habitat, which will keep them nice and safe from being in the habitat too soon. There are quite a few smaller species that are molting as well. You'll see them with the ruffled feathers throughout the habitat. Japanese is the reincarnation of the island.
If you want some strawberries, maybe a watermelon, that's a tasty treat for a turtle. All right, we're gonna ride Atlantis. It started raining a little bit, but now it's stopped. There it is up there, way up there. It's Atlantis. We've found it. So Violet, you're definitely gonna get wet on this one.
Yeah.
Big time. There we go, we're definitely gonna get soaked here.
Yeah.
I think so.
Clear. Dispatching train. Disregard. Dispatching train. So there, darlings, and enjoy your 150-foot drop on the Seaworld.
Don't go up there. Tatum and Blair, back up now.
Well, that was our trip to SeaWorld. We're gonna try to hit the orca show right before we leave, but we had a great time. How about you?
It was really nice.
You had a great time too. What was your favorite roller coaster?
Probably the wave breaker.
The Wave Breaker. We rode it 2 times. Anyway, after this, we're gonna head back to the hotel. I'm gonna upload something cool to watch. If you like what you see, I want you to please subscribe and keep on rocking.
And allow them to problem solve as a group. This is just one reason why they're known as the ocean's top predator. Their scientific name is Orcinus orca. Their common name is killer whale. And our flag whales, leader. These whales trust us to take an active role in their own health and well-being. Through the use of positive reinforcement training techniques, we are able to teach them husbandry or healthcare behaviors, joining their entire bodies. And we also have easy access to the shallow veins in the white undersides of their tail. Our veterinarians can collect blood from these veins at least once a month. And as you can see, they remain calm throughout the entire procedure. The killer whale-sized scale in one of the back adjacent pools. You may notice the part of Takara's body is still in the water. That part from her dorsal fin all the way down to her tail flukes is called the peduncle. It contains very large muscles that can easily weigh hundreds of pounds. So in order to get an accurate weight, we ask them to lift their heads and tails out of the water, just like that. And that's how we know that Takara weighs 4,630 pounds. Killer whales are also very curious animals. We often see them spy hopping or leaping out of the water to get a better view of their surroundings. So we're going to demonstrate that today with a behavior called a sighting bow. Sakari is off to the bottom of this 40-foot pool to build up enough power to leap up and out of the center. That was beautiful! Than they do through air. So when a killer whale leaps out of the water and crashes back down, that's called a breach. And that sound can be heard for miles around.